There you have it, ang ating mga bida for F2. It's Gendrauli, Cruz, Soriano, another Soriano in Abigail, Sabete, and Serafica with Pasino as the starting libero. Para po sa kupala ng F2 Logistics. Sa kabila naman po, it's Imbo, Lara, Bravo, Clemente, Suyat, Gual, and Vima Contada as the libero. Para naman sa New San Jose Builders. Wow, here we go!
Here we go!
Philippine Superliga Invitational 2016. Atid po sa inyo ng PLDT Home Ultera. Chicky Reyes po kasama si Chicky Pablo. At mamaya makakasama natin ang ating magandang courtside reporter na si Carla Lizardo. Meantime, ang mga nakakulay itim, ang F2 Logistics, ang mga nakakulay puti, New San Jose. Serafica will be serving for F2 Logistics. And it's on. Alam mo dito, Chicky P, kahit na sabihin mong they've met each other in different leagues, other leagues, previous PSL conferences, meron pa rin butterflies in their stomachs, may kapaan pa rin, especially in the opening set.
Oo, hindi mawawala yan. Kahit iba, nandiyan pa rin ito. Pero dapat mawala yan after first few balls.
So ang unang point po ng ating pangalawang laro sa araw na ito napunta sa mga manlalaro ng F2 Logistics.
But you know, ang ganda nung unang larong yun. First ball pa lang yun, medyo tumagal na sa area ang bola. So which means, maganda ang defense of both teams.
New San Jose, and that's an open space. Too easy para kay Suyat.
That is a smart move from Suyat coming from the back line. Talagang in-off speed niya yung bola and hindi nagawa ng paraan agad ng defense ng F2 Cargo Movers.
The captain will serve para sa New San Jose. Colleen Bravo, we were mentioning off the air, mahusay si Colleen, we know that. But for the other tournaments, palagi siyang sometimes in the shadows of other players. This time around, a great opportunity for Colleen to really come out as the captain and the leader of the team.
Yeah, that's true. At saka mataas ang tingin sa kanya ng coaching staff because siya ang ginawang team captain of the Victorias.
Ladies in white will score on that one. At Lara will be credited for that point. At siya rin po ang magsaserve para sa New San Jose. We are tied at 2 apiece. Set number 1.
Alam mo ba kung anong game plan ng Victorias?
Go! Share it with us.
It's to enjoy the game. Yun talaga, sabi ni Coach Ken. Yeah. Enjoy the game. This is your first game. Enjoy it. Nakikita mo rin naman. Kita mo, look at that save. You can only do that pag hindi ka stressed.
Pero pag tense ka, mahihirapan ka niyan. Meantime, iba naman kasi yung Abby Maranyo pag pumalo.
Oo, ang gulo talaga yung mga palo ni Abby Maranyo. Look at this replay, oh. Ayan, may back set and Abby goes over the blocks of Clemente.
Seeing that open space. Lamang F2 Logistics, 3-2. Soft touch. We are tied at 3. And I like the smile on the face of Lourdes Clemente.
Oh, bumawi siya agad, no? Kasi nagka-error siya dun sa blocking, kaya nakalusot yung bola ni Maranyo. And with that soft hit, talagang tinimingan niya na pababa na yung blockers ng F2 Cargo Movers.
Tied at 3. Set 1. Cindy Imbo will be serving para po sa New San Jose. That's a service error. Something that you don't want, lalo na pag-close yung game dahil sisingilin ka niyan in the end.
Oh, maybe we can attribute that to a little bit of jitters. Pero tingnan natin kung gaano kabilis matanggal yung jitters niya.
4 serving 3. New San Jose on the attack. And hit of Suyat. Too hard, too strong, too far.
Medyo may gigil dun si Suyat. Ang ganda kasi nung game linalaro ng 2 teams. That's why konting wrist action lang para mabumaba yung bola niya.
Jill Gustilo serving. It's 5-3 in favor of F2 Logistics. Sa likod, this time around, may pinto, may net infraction, and that will be against New San Jose.
Yes. Yun yung mga errors na dapat iiwasan natin mangyari kundi sayang yung play.
And correct me if I'm wrong, Chiki, kahit buhok ang tumama sa net, that's an infraction already.
Oh, parang dapat kunyari may kuryente yung net. That's a good floor defense there from the Victorias.
Black shirts on the attack. That's a quick one. Great save. Rally continues. Suyat once more. Money in. May dahilan yung palo.
Grabe, ang ganda ng palo niya. It was perfect timing. She hit that ball at its peak. At walang nagawa yung blockers ng F2 Logistics. Look at this. Ang ganda. Lusot na lusot yung bola in between the blockers.
And if we go past 2 defenders, laking confidence builder din yan.
Serafica's set was a little bit low at that time.
Suyat once more. She's feeling it. And New San Jose only down by a point.
Si Suyat, whether she's on the right side, left side of the court, she can deliver the point.
5 serving 6. Lourdes Clemente on deck to serve. And tama yung count to second service error for New San Jose.
Yes, that's correct.
7-5 in favor of FD Logistics. Abby Maraño will be serving. Good serve. Meantime, black shirts on the attack. Oh, that was tough. Pao Soriano sending that one home. Our score is 8-5. First technical timeout ng ating set number 1. Lamang ang F2 Logistics.
You're watching the PLDT Homoterra PSL Invitational 2016 here on Aksyon TV. Despite being a young team, hindi kami underdogs. Yan ang sinabi ng head coach ng New San Jose Builders Victorias na si Coach Ken Moleño. Grabe daw kasi ang mental preparation na ginawa nila para dito sa liga. Lagi niyang sinasabi na pagpasok niyo sa court, kailangan maging masaya kayo. Pero ipakita niyo na palaban kayo. Because the message that they want to send out here dito sa ating PSL Invitational is that they will not be intimidated. Balik sa inyo, Chiki and Chiki.
Maraming salamat, Carla. So, si Coach Ken, yes, we're young. Yes, we're new. Pero enjoy kami. May speed, may familiarity, may conditioning, may gutom. Yan ang bit-bit nila sa invitation.
Ang sabi nga ni Coach Ken kanina, there's no excuse. Kondisyon sila, very disciplined. Ang practice nila 6 o'clock, hindi 6:01. Very strict in their regiment. So you can see, maganda yung galaw ng team. Si Colleen Bravo is really serving as a good big sister to everybody else, making sure everyone is safe, everyone is on time in practice.
You know, no doubt about the conditioning. But I think yung opening game jitters getting the better end or creeping up dito sa mga manlalaro ng New San Jose. They're down here by 5 points. The sets are there. They're getting open looks at the hits. Hindi lang pumapasok to the spot that they want.
Yes, kailangan talaga dito mindset because everything starts in the mind. They have to be confident in their hits. If they do make a mistake, they have to get over it, move on.
Now it's a free ball. Balik ang bola sa F2 Logistics. Hard hit coming from Sabete going to zone 1.
Alam mo, just a little trivia dito kay Serafica. If you can see, her arm is heavily taped. Well, that's because she got into an accident, nabagsakan siya ng window.
Oh, wow.
So she had to receive 38 stitches.
Now, let's listen in dito sa huddle ng New San Jose.
Pasok ka. B. Pasok ka muna ng 3. Himbo, backline dito. Dito ka. Kailangan gitna, backline. That's it. Okay? Pasiksikin mo. Touch mo na yung kamay mo. Nakababa pa yan. So, alam mo na ang bola ng kalaban. Lumapit ka sa dikit sa net. Automatic ang setter na magbibigay sa quick. So, paghanda mo yung quicker na yan. Intindihan ba? O, yan ang play, ha? Pasok, ha?
Listening to Coach Ken do the science, please. But ang na-pick up ko dun sa kanya, whatever you do on defense, basahin mo yung ginagawa ng opensa.
Oh, yun yung last words of advice ni Coach Ken. Kailangan siyempre basahin kasi kung magka-quick ang kalaban, kailangan automatic yung defense ng San Jose Builders. Ito, ang play nila would be if there's a good first ball is a middle hit. O kaya 4. Tingnan natin. That was a good play there, a soft hit.
That's what you like. Coming off a timeout, you score a point. So hindi nasayang yung timeout na yon. So 6 serving 11. New San Jose still down by 5. Set number 1 pa rin po ito. And powerful hit once more coming from Sabet.
Alam mo, makikita mo talaga no, yung kilos ng veterans. Their arm swings are so fast. Maaring yung approach nila sa bola is a little bit slow, but what counts is really the arm swing.
12-6. F2 Logistics up by 6. I thought that ball was still alive. Nag-second look si Lara when she saw it bounce on the floor. Okay na, we get a point.
That was the play called by Coach Ken. Immediately naman in-execute ng ganyang team.
7 serving 12. Ladies in black on the attack. Pagkakataon muli ng New San Jose, pero hindi, naging free ball yan. The captain, Lara, using the left hand. Great net defense shown by Bravo and Lara.
Ang ganda ng bantay ni Bravo at Lara. Yun nga, sinabi ulit ni Coach Ken, tingnan kung anong ofensa ng kalaban. And yun, maganda yung basa nila ng bola. Nabasa nilang magka-quick. Well, they were prepared for that.
8 serving 12. New San Jose down by 4. There's a whistle. Nagkamali sa rotation ng F2 Logistics.
Yan, that's a free point right away for the Victorias.
It's 9 serving 12. Still serving is Gual. Serafica going to the captain. Another great net defense led by the other captain, Colleen Bravo.
Chacruz was a little bit late in her approach, kaya nag-net yung bola.
So mahabol dito after being down by 6. It's 4 straight points coming from New San Jose. The Victorias, yung bang tawag?
The
Victorias.
I guess that timeout really did the job for them.
Captain going to the back. Balik ang bola dito sa F2 Logistics. They need to score. They're only up by 2. Off the deflection, crucial score.
That was a good play by Serafica. Nakita niya medyo nag-struggle si Cha in the first few balls given to her, but she kept giving Cha a chance to redeem herself, and she did. Good block. I mean, good hit there going through the block.
Kanina feeling ko kumakapaka pa itong si Cha entering the game para malamig pa. But kaya nga siya yung kapitan. Marunong mag-adjust agad.
Yeah, at ang kapitan din naman na si Colleen Bravo, immediately nag-adjust din agad. Kaya naka-earn ang point for the team.
And Bravo will be serving for New San Jose for the Victorias. It's 11 serving 3. Sa kabila, they'll go to Danica. Too much muscle behind that hit. That's out.
Yeah, she was a little bit under the ball, kaya lumabas yung bola.
Only down by a point. Ang mga lovely ladies wearing white, New San Jose Builders. Ang F2 Logistics naman po, ang kanilang moniker ay Cargo Movers. Action continues. Danica once more. Sinigurado this time around.
I was gonna say that was a good save by Pao Soriano, kaya tuloy nagkaroon ng magandang set si Serafica, and of course, an excellent hit there early at the point.
Balik sa dalawa ang kalamangan dito ng Cargo Movers, 14-12. Soriano nag-serve. They'll set Clemente. Back to the Cargo Movers. It's going to be a free ball. Serafica. Maranyo. That was out, pero dahil may deflection, ang point sa Cargo Movers.
Alam mo, kailangan talaga si Abby Maranyo, normally, ang palo niya is cross-court.
Yes.
So, pag siya yung pumapalo na, kailangan mag-adjust na yung floor defense to cover the diagonal.
15 serving 12. Still Soriano serving for F2 Logistics. Quick one. Gandang depensa ni Maranyo. At ang score natin, 16-12. Second technical timeout ng set number 1, Cargo Movers, up by 4.
LDT Homonterra Philippine Superliga Invitational 2016. The F2 Logistics cargo movers struggled with forming their lineup. Ngayon lang sila nakumpleto dahil nahirapan silang maghanap ng setter. Their only setter was Janet Serafica, who was still recovering from an injury that Chicky mentioned earlier. Pero habang nag-iensayo sila, humihiram na lang daw sila ng setter in order to practice their spikes. Today, we will also see Arian Agarin in action. Kagabi lang daw niya nalaman that she will be playing today. Balik sa inyo, Chicky and Chicky.
Matibay itong si Serafica. Salamat, Carla. Wow, so they had to borrow a setter para lang matuloy ang practice. But I think it's working so far for the cargo movers sapagkat ngayon nakabalik na nga si Serafica kahit na may injury pa yan. It's as if nothing happened to her.
Ganyan talaga pag yung mindset mo, laban eh. Walang, kahit na injured ka, kahit duguan ka, wala, you'll still play volleyball.
Yan ang ating PLDT Home Ultera PSL Invitational 2016. Again, sa mga bumubuo ng PSL, salamat sa napakagandang platform at pagkakataon para makapaglaro ng volleyball ang ating mga manlalaro sa Pilipinas.
That's right.
Service error. 3-point para sa Victorious. 13 serving 17. Black shirts. Free ball. Suyat once more. Serafica will go to Abby with a quick one. Clemente was there.
Yeah, that was a low set from Serafica. Trinay ni Abby Maranyo gawa ng paraan yun, but hindi talaga kinaya.
14 serving 17. Maribeth Lara serving. Not really a good first ball there. Sa kabila. Back to F2 Logistics. Abby with a soft one. Suyat, favorite recipient. Jumps at the net. Won by Maran.
Medyo nagkagulo kasi ang floor defense ng Victorias, kaya hindi naagapan yung slow ball na yun na galing kay Abby Maranyo. Maganda ang galaw ng both teams. Makikita mo rin, redirected yung bola ni Abby. Nakita niya walang tao in zone 4.
Kung napanood nyo yung interview kanina, no, yung contract signing ni Abby, parang hindi makabasag pinggan. Pero pagkatapos ng point na yon, sabi niya?
Beast mode siya.
Pasensya na kayo, ha?
Oo.
Beast mode, I'll just turn that on. 19 serving 14, it's the captain will serve. Sa kabila, yung San Jose, but even before the hit.
Yeah, that was a double called on Condada.
So yung sa mga ganong error, wala kang kalaban namin. Not even a chance to hit that ball.
Strong serves from Cha Cruz.
They're up by 6. Subok muli dito ang cargo movers. Great dive by Condada. Balik sa ladies in black. Danica. Miss hit by Suyat.
The set was off kaya walang nagawa si Suyat. But you can see, maganda yung galaw nila, maganda.
21-14, Chicky. Lumalaki na lumalaki yung abante rito ng cargo movers. They're up by 7.
Yes, they are up by 7. They're moving as the veterans that they are. But ako, ang ganda pa rin ng galaw ng Victorias. Maganda ang teamwork, nakikita mo. I think what they lack right now is communication.
Cha Cruz serving for F2 Logistics. Lamang sila ng 7. Balik dito sa ladies in black. They go to the back. Great floor defense being shown by both squads here. Danica. Abby. Sa likod pumunta. That's an open zone 6.
Walang tao na tira dun sa likod. Everybody went in front. Akala nila it was going to be a soft hit. Pero naloko sila ng tira ni Abby. That's why that point earned by her was a surprise.
22-14 na mga cargo movers. Let's listen in to Coach Ken.
Pagod, kesa sa patras, naintindihan. Simple mo ng play yan. Dito yan. O, ibikik mo to. Tumalong ka. Pagpapatok, retro, dulo ka sa open. Palo! Hindi yung palo gano'n-gano'n. tinatapon yung ball, in-spray yung ball. Para...
Hit with a purpose. Sabi ni Coach Ken, paluin mo.
Oo, paluin mo. Kasi itong si Clemente, malakas ang kamay nito. Akala natin, prim and proper kasi very, di ba, yung body niya, yung kilos niya, paglakad niya, parang model, wala lang. But when she hits that ball, it's really strong. Kaya hindi pa nakikita ni Coach Ken. Of course, it's, kailangan talaga kasi maganda yung first ball mo eh.
Nasa huli ba siya ng isang Big D?
Oo, correct.
Diba?
Pwede nga silang magpinsan eh.
Ball still alive. Pero hindi na-save yan ni Maribeth Lara. That's a point for the Cargo Movers, biggest lead at 9.
Yun, it's the same error that they did. So kailangan ang reception ng movers, ng Victorias ay, it has to improve.
Clemente with a soft touch. No power there, but doesn't matter.
She earned that point using her left arm.
23-15. Still up by 8. Ang Cargo Movers. Versosa will be replacing Nesel May Guan. Imbo will also sit down. And Cabriana is in. Shaira will be serving para sa New San Jose. 15 serving 23. Good serve. Back set. Oh, wrong side ang pinuntahan ng back set ni Serafina.
Ang ganda ng development ni Clemente. When I first saw her play here in the PSL, medyo nangangapa-ngapa pa siya. But now, you can see how she directs the ball to the place that she wants the ball to go to. Halimbawa yung zone 2, dinirekta niya doon dahil walang tao.
At yun yung sinasabi natin sa top of the coverage. Old faces and new ones, not so new ones, na pwedeng maging a future of PSL.
That's right.
Running hit. Great dive by Condada. Yumul will score off a deflection.
So Yumul played with the blocks, kaya na off the block point yun. Ang ganda nung save ni Condada before that hit.
23-17, anin pa rin ang abante ng Cargo Movers. Cabriana will be serving for New San Jose. At the net, iba na matangkad. That's a mismatch between Clemente and Serafina.
Kita mo yung galaw ni Clemente, di ba? Alam niyang she can block, she's taller than the rest, she's 6'3", so she's using her height to her advantage.
23-18, Cargo Movers lamang ng 5. Pakinggan natin si Coach Rose.
Galawin natin yung score na yan. Bakit tayo ha? Hindi naman ganun kabigat yung service, di ba? Ha? Nagtataas na yung receive nyo eh, sobra. Babaan nyo pa. Atake tayo. Abi, tara. Sapa, isa. Doon na ready, atake tayo. Play.
Let's go! Movers!
Well, that's one way to put the spirits high.
Yeah.
Hindi naman ganun kaganda yung service eh. Mataas na ang reception.
Oo, kailangan babaan ng reception para mas mabilis ang tempo, mas mabilis ang play. And I think for this next play that they're going to create, naka-attention kay Abby Maranyo.
18 serving 23, Shaira Cabriana pa rin po magsaserve para sa Victorias. Another good serve. Serafika. And Danica says, teka lang, kami naman.
Kami naman. Tama na. Sunod-sunod na kasi yung puntos nila.
Set point for the ladies in black. Another look for the angle. I like the preparation by Danica. Very patient in the execution. Not the highest leaper, but accurate nonetheless.
That's right.
Abby, you see the grit sa kanyang approach, pero nadepensahan yung palo niya.
Ang ganda ng blocking skills na pinapakita sa atin ni Manu Clemente. But she sits down right now, takes a breather.
And every time Malu smiles or Lourdes Clemente smiles, naaalala ko talaga si Big D. Di ba? When she started dito sa PSL.
Yeah. Parang ganyan-ganyan yung hulma.
Yes. To the back. They're saying there's a deflection. Sabi ng ating officials, wala. So yung palo ni Sabete, backfire. Set 1 pa lang to.
That's right.
We're going the distance here. Medalla. Siya nag-serve. And I think Abby babied that.
Medyo kasi malayo sa net yung set ni Serafica. So, dapat sana nagawa na lang ng paraan ni Abby. But nakatalo na siya because there was a play that was called. Kaya hindi na siya naka-adjust right away.
24-21, humahabol dito ang New San Jose. Another chance for them to score. Smart move by Serafica, pero nag-dive si Shaira. Free ball. Will they close set one here? Abby. Shaira was there again. Yumul going to the back. This time around, again. Malakas ang palo ni Jonah.
Alam mo, hiningi ni Abby yun yung bolang yun. But Serafica chose to put it sa outside hitter. Well, okay din yun para hindi predictable.
And you gotta give it to your center. Kahit yun yung parang coach and sa basketball point guard. Siya magde-decide.
Yes.
At the very end, depending on the defense, kanino ko ibibigay.
That's right.
Mahabol dito ang Victorias. 22, serving 24, still Medalla. Serving for the ladies in white. It's in. Danica. Shaira will set. Suyat. Ball is still alive. That's a free ball. Another chance here for Victorias. Oh, the captain will score again.
That was a great low set from Cabriana. Ang ganda ng ginawa nila. Look at this. She kneels down, sets it up. It was a perfect height.
And take note,
the hitter.
Colleen was facing the right side.
Yeah.
And then that was a very difficult cross.
Yeah. Yun ang nagagawa pag ini-enjoy mo yung game, lumalabas yung skills mo and talents.
The captain almost, but not quite, but get another crack. Suyat. May panggigil, kagat-nabi, at matatapos siya kay Mapayan. He left will end the first set to the score of 25-23. Another look, great set by Serafica. Flilet with a hit. And set one will end 25-23 in favor of the Cargo Movers. We'll be right back.